Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use InVideo AI. So if you want to generate or create a video with just a few prompts, then this platform is for you. You can create or generate a video for free. However, if you want to remove the watermark or some clips here have watermarks, so you need to upgrade your plan. But there are some features here on video that you can generate clips and videos without watermark. So all you need to do is just go to any web browser and then type in video. You have to click this one. In order for you to create an account, you have to tap on get started or create an account right here. And there are ways on how to create an account on InVideo. You can just basically create an account using your Google account. You can also create an account here using your email and password. And once done, then it will take you directly to InVideo. Now, aside from generating videos, there are tons of features of InVideo here, such as making script, creating script, workflow, and so on. You can also create a video for your TikTok, for your Instagram, for your Facebook, any reels. And also you can upgrade your modal to any of this right here. So to start, you just have to create or paste the prompt that you want and then choose from any of the features of InVideo below. For me, I'll just click this create a video and just wait for a couple of seconds as it is generating a video for me. You have your option here. You just have to select which one fits you, and then after that, you can just now proceed. So you just have to wait and InVideo will generate or create a video for you like this. And again, if you want to remove the watermark, you have to update your plan or look for other stocks instead. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.